So students, let us continue with our next example, which is 3.5. Solve x plus 2y minus z equal to 5, x minus y plus z equal to minus 2, and minus 5x minus 4y plus z equal to minus 11. Okay. So solution is, let x plus 2y minus z equal to 5. This is equation number 1. And let this be equation number 2, and let this be equation number 3. Okay. So now we are going to add, because minus and plus in z signs are there. So we are just adding it. So to cancel it, okay. So x and x is 2x, 2y minus y is plus y. Then 5 minus 2 is 3, okay. Now we are subtracting 2 and 3 because z and z sign is changed, same, okay. So we should just change minus, plus and minus. This also plus, okay. So for changing the sign we are subtracting. So x plus 5x is 6x, and minus y minus, so this sign didn't change, okay. This is plus. So minus y and plus 4y is plus 3y, and this get cancelled, and minus 2 plus 11 is 9, okay. So dividing by 3, because all the numbers are 3. See, this variable and this variable and this variable, you can see the constants are multiples of 3. So you can divide it by 3. 2x plus y equal to 3. So to avoid the complications, we are just dividing it. You can also do when all the 3 comes in the same table, okay. Subtracting 4 and 5, you will get let this be equation number 4, okay. So 2x plus y equal to 3 and 2x plus y equal to 3. So just you will get 0 equal to 0. Here we arrive at an identity 0 equal to 0. Hence the system has an infinite number of solutions. When the equation becomes 0 equal to 0, then you will have infinite solutions, okay. The answer here itself, we are stopping it, okay. So our next example is, solve 3x plus y minus z equal to 1, and minus 2x minus y plus 2z equal to 1, and minus x minus y plus z equal to 2. So let this be equation number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we are just adding it, equation 1 and 2. Because here you will have plus y and minus y. So you can cancel it, no? So we are just adding it. So 3x minus 2x is x, and this will get cancelled. And 3z plus 2z is minus z equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So this is equation number 4. See, here it is written. So adding 1 and 3. Here also you can note y and minus y. So you can just cancel it. So 3x minus x is 2x. Minus z plus z is minus 2z. 1 plus 2 is 3. So let this be equation number 5. Okay. So here it is written. Now equation 5 minus 2 into 4. Because equation number 2. You can see what is equation number 2? This. And equation number 5 is this. You can note that, they are taking this equation, okay. X minus z equal to 2, and this equation 2x minus z equal to 3, okay. Because this only has common xx and zz. So they're taking this and this equations, okay. So when you multiply 2 with this, you will get 2x and 2x. So you can cancel, or you will get 2x and 2z and 2z. You can cancel it easily, okay. So now minus 2, just you are doing it with minus 2, okay. Then which is 2x minus 2z equal to 3, and 2x minus 2z equal to 4, okay. So you will just change these signs, okay. Cancel, and this will become 0, and this will become minus 1. We arrive at the contradiction as 0 is not equal to minus 1. This means that the system is inconsistent and has no solution, okay. So when 0 equal to 0 means infinite solution, 0 equal to any number means it is not inconsistent, okay. So now let us move to the next example, 3.7. Solve x by 2 minus 1 equal to y by 6 plus 1, z equal to z by 7 plus 2, and y by 3 plus z by 2 equal to 13. Okay, you can note. So this is an equation. Okay, take this as equation. So considering this, then you will get x by 2. Bring this y by 6 this side, and which is equal to bring this one this side. So 1 plus 1 gives, just cross multiply these things, you will get 6x minus 2y by 12, okay, which is equal to 2, because 1 plus 1 we get. So when you bring this side, you will get 24. So 6x minus 2y equal to 24. This all comes in 2 tables, so you can divide it by 2. You will get 6x and 3x, minus 2y and minus y, 24 and 12. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay, so next take this x by 2 minus 1 and this z by 7 plus 2. Take this to 1. Okay, so when you bring this z by 7 and 1 that side, you will get cross multiply. Okay, so you will get 7x minus 2z equal by 14 equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. So again, when you multiply this and divide it by, don't divide it, keep it as it is, because 7 it is there, so it is a not multiple of 2, so you cannot divide it. So 7x minus 2z equal to 42, which is equation number 2. Okay, also form y by 3. This one, y by 3 plus z by 2 equal to 13. Okay, gives, cross multiply 2y plus 3z by 6 equal to 13. You will get 2y plus 3z equal to 78. Just cross multiply. This is equation number 3. Okay, you have got 3 equations. Now let us solve it. So now eliminating z from 2 and 3. How? Eliminating means cancelling. Okay, it is nothing but cancelling. We are going to cancel z from 2 and 3. For that, we are just multiplying equation 2 into 3, which is 7x means 21x and minus 2z means minus 6z equal to 126. Okay, so equation number 3 is into 2 gives 4y plus 6z equal to 156. Okay, here you don't have y and x variables, so just leave it. Okay, leave the gap. Okay, so now let us see 21x and this 4y will be the same, and this will cancel, and when you add this you will get 282. Okay, so equation number 1 into 4 gives 12x minus 4y. See, bring that all equations in the same form. Cancel either one of this or this. Okay, so then only you can get the equation solution. So just cancel this, because when you add this, plus and minus will get cancelled, and this will become 33x and this will become 330. So x equal to, bring this 33 down, you will get 10. 330 divided by 33 is 10. Substituting x equal to 10 in equation 1, you will get 30 minus y equal to 12. We get y equal to 18. Substituting x equal to 10 in equation number 2, you will get 70 minus 2z equal to 42. Then z equal to 14. Therefore, x equal to 10 and y equal to 18 and z equal to 14. Now we are going to solve the next example. Okay, so 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4y minus 1 by 3z equal to 1 by 4. And next is 1 by x equal to 1 by 3y. Next is 1 by x minus 5 by y, 1 by 5y plus 4 by z equal to 2 by 15. Okay. So now we are going to just substitute some variables for this 1 by x and 1 by y and 1 by z. Okay, to find the answers easily. Okay, so the equations can be written as, when you substitute p for that, so 1 by 2 you are substituting as p. So you are not taking p as denominator, you are taking it as a normal number. So you will just put it up. Okay, so p by 2 plus q by 4, because y also will go, minus r by 3. Only this constants will be remaining. Okay, which is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now you can note that. So now the next equation is 1 by x. For that you can keep it as p, and 1 by 3y means 1 by y you are changing as q, and this 3 will be the same constant here. Okay, next you can change it as 1 by x means p minus 1 by 5y. So keep that 5 down, and 1 by y you can substitute q, plus 4 by z means 4 into r. 4 into 1 by z only you should take this. Okay, so 4 into 1 by z means 4 into r only. Okay, which is equal to 2 by 15, which is, when you change it into improper fraction, you will get 32 by 15. Okay, by simplifying we get 6p plus 3q minus 4r equal to 3. Okay, you can note here that, and next see, cross multiply this, 3p equal to q. Okay, so 15p minus 3q plus 60r equal to 32. Just multiply this one. Okay, then you will get here 15 is there. Okay, just bring that 15 here. You will get, multiply with everything, 15, then you will get, see, p into 15 is 15p. Okay, and minus q into 15 by 5. So when you cancel this, you will get 3 here. Then 15 into 4r is 60r. Okay, so like that only we have got this equation. This one. Okay, equal to 32. This just you can keep the numerator. Substituting 2 in 1 and 3 we get. Okay, this is equation number where it is. This is 2. 3p equal to q, and let this be 1, 2 and 3. So this is equation number 2. Put it in 2, 1, 3. You will get 15p minus 4r equal to 3 and 6p plus 60r equal to 32. So reduces to 3p plus 30r equal to 16, because this all comes in 6 table. Or you can cancel it in, 32 doesn't come. So for that you are just cancelling it in 2 table only. Okay? So 3p plus 30r equal to 16. Okay. So now by solving equation 4 and 5. So these two are the equations 4 and 5. So now when you solve it, you will get 15p minus 4i equal to 3 and 15p plus 150r equal to 80. Okay. So now just this equation is multiplied by 3 and written here to cancel 15p and 15p. When you subtract, the sign changes and you can cancel it easily. For that you are multiplying equation 5 by 3. So cancel this, and 1 minus 4 minus 150. So minus 154r equal to 3 and minus. Okay. So 3 and minus 80 means minus 77. We get r equal to 1 by 2. Because when this comes here, you will get minus and minus get cancelled, and 77 by 154 is 1 by 2. So substituting r equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 4, we will get 15p minus 2 equal to 3, and which gives p equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So from 2, q equal to 3p, and we get q equal to 1. So if p is 1 by 3, just put 1 by 3 means 3 and 3 get cancelled, so q equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 by p equal to 3. Okay, so y equal to 1 by q equal to 1. Z equal to 1 by r equal to 2. That's all. First we have done here, no? 1 by x equal to p and 1 by y equal to q and 1 by z equal to r. Just we are substituting the values now. That is x equal to 3, y equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Very easy calculation. Okay.